Assalamualaikum dosto. AAJ ki sabesi badi football update Inter Miami ku striker German Berterame Injury kai. CF Montréal ku kalaf MLS match ku Doran Berterame aerial challenge kulia jump kardi whacked socked head collision ka shakar ho gay. Zor dartaker ku bad wo ground parger gay or medical staff foran field main aa gaya. Situation itni serious t ku ambulance ko ground ku andar balaya gaya or Berterame ko hospital transfer kia gaya. Is wakia any stadium main majid tamam players or fans ko pershan kardia. Kushkabri ya hai ku match ku bad Inter Miami ku head coach ani bataya ku Berterame hosh main hain, unki family ko be update de di gai hai or wo recovery process main hain. Mazed medical tests ku bad high unki injury key exact details or return timeline Samni Aagi. Yahoo Sports +1. Luis Suárez any goal score karn ku bad Berterame key jersey utha kar unkliya support ka azarbi kia, jo fans ko coffee emotional laga. Infobay. Hum dua kardi hain ku German Berterame jald esi jald makamal sihat ku sath football field main wapazayan. Agar AAP latest football news sabesi peli dekna chat hain to channel ko subscribe carrion or video ko like zero or carrion.